For many breastfeeding mothers, maintaining a healthy milk supply is essential, especially when incorporating pumping into their routine. Understanding what truly works can make the process smoother and more efficient. First, consistency is key. Pumping at regular intervals, ideally mimicking your baby's natural feeding schedule, helps signal your body to produce more milk. Double electric pumps are often recommended for efficiency and effectiveness. Hydration and nutrition also play a significant role. Drinking plenty of water and consuming a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support milk production. Some mothers find lactation-boosting foods like oats, flaxseed, and fenugreek beneficial. Additionally, stress management is crucial. Relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or listening to calming music while pumping, can enhance letdown reflexes. Finally, consulting a lactation consultant can provide personalized advice tailored to your needs. A proactive approach ensures both you and your baby thrive during this journey.